Out in the silent darkness, two tiny specks of human ingenuity are sailing away. Voyager 1 and Voyager 2. They left Earth in 1977, traveling farther than anything we've ever built. Their journey took them past giant planets and their moons, and now they've crossed into interstellar space, the vast ocean between the stars. They are our silent messengers, carrying a piece of humanity into the unknown. Every second they move further from home, their signals growing fainter, billions of miles from the sun. The light from our star takes nearly a day to reach them. Commands from Earth travel for hours. They are pioneers, the first emissaries from Earth to leave our solar system's protective bubble. We sent them to explore our planetary neighbors, but they did so much more. They showed us volcanoes erupting on Jupiter's moon, Io, and geysers of ice on Neptune's moon, Triton. Their mission changed as they left the last planet, to taste the space between the stars, to feel the solar wind give way to the galactic breeze. Now, they are our eyes and ears in a place no one has gone before. Their systems are powered by decaying plutonium, instruments slowly shutting down to conserve energy. Yet, they continue to whisper back, sending faint signals across the immense void. Sometimes those whispers are strange, garbled, or filled with data that doesn't make sense. In these moments, a new story begins, not just of exploration, but of mystery. Have our silent messengers found something out there we weren't prepared for? Their journey is a story of distance, time, and the unknown. And so, they travel on. The Voyager mission was born from a rare cosmic alignment. Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune lined up for a once-in-176 years opportunity. NASA designed two spacecraft, Voyager 1 and Voyager 2, to visit all four giants using gravity assists. Their goal? Explore these gas giants up close for the first time. Before Voyager, our images of these planets were just fuzzy blobs. The probes were packed with cameras, spectrometers, and magnetometers to reveal their secrets. Voyager 1 flew past Jupiter and Saturn, discovering active volcanoes on Io and the complexity of Saturn's rings. Voyager 2 went further, becoming the only spacecraft to visit Uranus and Neptune, finding dark spots and icy geysers. The data they sent back fundamentally changed our understanding of the solar system. After their planetary encounters, a new phase began, the Voyager interstellar mission. Their objective? Reach the edge of our solar system and find the heliopause where the sun's influence ends. They became the first human-made objects to enter interstellar space. This part of the mission was even more mysterious. No one knew what they would find. They ventured into a new frontier, pushing the limits of exploration and imagination. The grand tour was complete, but the real adventure had just begun. Voyager's journey became a quest to understand the space between the stars. They are our scouts in the galactic neighborhood. Their discoveries continue to shape our view of the cosmos. The mission's audacity lies not just in where they went, but in how far they've taken us. Voyager's story is one of ambition, discovery, and the relentless pursuit of the unknown, and it's not over yet. Attached to each Voyager is a golden record, a message in a bottle for the cosmos. Conceived by Carl Sagan, the record is a portrait of Earth. Images, sounds, greetings in 55 languages, and music from across cultures. It's a greeting from a small, distant world, an attempt to say hello in a universal language. It carries the sounds of Earth, wind, rain, whales, birds, a symphony of our planet. The record is protected by a golden cover, etched with instructions and a cosmic map using pulsars to locate our sun. They are ambassadors of Earth, carrying our story into the void. The golden record is a deeply human gesture, a gift of art, science, and hope. Voyager's legacy will endure, even if no one ever finds it. It's a symbol of our hope that we are not alone. For decades, the Voyager probes performed almost flawlessly. But in May 2022, Voyager 1's attitude control system began sending back gibberish. This system keeps the antenna pointed at Earth. Without it, contact would be lost. Oddly, the antenna stayed locked on, but the telemetry was nonsense. Engineers at JPL were baffled. The spacecraft was healthy, but its status reports were pure noise. Was this just old age or something more? NASA tried everything. Commands, documentation, troubleshooting. The rest of the spacecraft worked perfectly, only the control system spoke in tongues. Eventually, they found the AACS was routing data through a dead computer. A command switched it back, and the problem was solved. The official explanation, a glitch in an aging system, but the event was unsettling. A reminder of how fragile our connection is. For months, speculation grew. Was it just a malfunction, or a message of a different kind? The anomaly left a lasting impression. It showed how easily mystery can slip into the story of exploration. Even the most rational explanations can't erase the sense of wonder. Voyager's distance makes every glitch feel like a message from the unknown, and sometimes the line between malfunction and mystery blurs. Voyager 2 has had its own share of strange signals. In 2010, nearly 9 billion miles from home, it began sending unreadable science data. A single bit in its memory had flipped, corrupting the entire data stream. NASA traced the problem to the flight data system and reset the memory. Soon, Voyager 2 was back to normal. The likely cause: a cosmic ray striking the memory chip, a known hazard in deep space. Yet the incident sparked speculation. Some suggested the signal was a deliberate message altered by extraterrestrial intelligence. The scientific community dismissed this. There was no evidence. Still, the idea lingers. What if it wasn't random? The glitch reminds us that in the vastness of space, our understanding is limited. We interpret events through what we know, but the universe may hold surprises. Every anomaly is a reminder of how much we have yet to learn. NASA's response to these anomalies is always calm and scientific. The official explanations: a routing error for Voyager 1, a cosmic ray for Voyager 2. The spacecraft are marvels of engineering, but they're old, built with 1970s technology, less memory than a car key fob. Decades in harsh radiation take their toll. Glitches and failures are expected. NASA's engineers are experts at remote troubleshooting, keeping these ancient machines running. Their job is to maintain the mission, not chase fantasies. Every anomaly has a rational explanation, even if it takes time to find. This narrative maintains scientific integrity and public trust. NASA reports facts, not speculation. Suggesting aliens without evidence would damage credibility. So they focus on hardware, software, and the realities of deep space. It's a story of resilience and problem solving. But for some, this leaves no room for wonder. Every mystery is solved with a patch, every strange signal explained away. Yet, the possibility of something extraordinary lingers in the background. This raises a question: does NASA tell us everything? The agency manages information carefully, not out of conspiracy but necessity. They must verify data before releasing it to avoid panic or misinformation. If Voyager detected something undeniably artificial, the information would likely be classified first. Scientists would be sworn to secrecy, not to hide the truth, but to control the narrative. The discovery of extraterrestrial life would be the biggest news in history, requiring careful handling. So when we hear about glitches, it's worth asking if that's the whole story. Could these be placeholder explanations while deeper investigations happen? The anomaly with Voyager 1's data was particularly strange. The official explanation is plausible but also convenient. It tidies up a mystery that had no easy answer. We have no evidence NASA is hiding anything. This is speculation. But the nature of the mission invites such questions. Voyager is our scout in uncharted territory. If it found something unexpected, we might not be the first to know. The wall of silence, if it exists, would be a shield, not a barrier. This is the heart of the mystery. We send a message into the cosmos with the golden record. What if something is trying to send a message back? A subtle change, a flipped bit, could be a safer way to make first contact. An advanced intelligence might alter Voyager's data stream as a form of cosmic graffiti. We were here. It's a romantic idea, turning a glitch into a historic event. Of course, this is a leap of faith. Scientists favor simpler explanations. A cosmic ray is more likely than an alien message. But science is also about asking big questions. Are we alone? The Voyager anomalies force us to confront that question. They are a cosmic Rorschach test. Do you see a malfunction or a sign of contact? The mystery persists because of our deep need for the alternative to be true. The ultimate question: are we ready to hear the answer? The Voyager spacecraft won't send data forever. Soon, their power will fade and their whispers will cease. But they will drift through the Milky Way for eons, outlasting us, our cities, even Earth itself. They are our silent, eternal legacy, carrying the story of our world, our music, and our greetings into the far future. In 40,000 years, Voyager 1 will pass near Gliese 445. In 296,000 years, Voyager 2 will pass near Sirius. They are time capsules, waiting for discovery. They represent our curiosity, ambition, and hope that we are part of a larger story. The mysteries they've presented may never be solved. Were the strange signals just old machines or something more? Perhaps the questions matter more than the answers. They push us to look up at the night sky with wonder. The story of Voyager is about the journey, and the sense of the unknown it inspires. As they sail on, they leave us with a message of humility and hope. We are small in a vast universe but capable of reaching beyond. We can send a piece of ourselves into the void asking the biggest questions. Voyager's golden record and secrets are still out there, inviting us to keep dreaming.